Hello lovelies! Ever wondered how models always look so beautiful? It turns out, they have some hidden beauty secrets that keep them looking flawless at all times but aren't talked about enough. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets that you need to know if you want that jaw-dropping glow up. So let's dive right in. Ice facial. In the morning, models rub ice cubes on their face or dip their face into a bowl of ice for a few minutes. Just a quick rub of ice cubes on your face can shrink your pores, get rid of puffiness, and give you that natural dewy glow. This is an old-school model hack that works very fast and is perfect for looking refreshed when you're in a rush. Even K-pop idols like Jennie testify to it. Coconut oil for whiter teeth. Who knew a simple kitchen ingredient like coconut oil could be such a teeth-whitening hero, right? Coconut oil helps clear out bacteria and stains that can make your teeth look dull and yellow. All you do is swish coconut oil in your mouth for about 5 to 10 minutes, make sure you don't swallow it. Then just spit it out and brush your teeth like usual. Do this a few times a week and you'll start noticing a difference. Green tea steam facial. This one's a game changer. Green tea steam facials are what models love to detox their skin. The steam opens up your pores and lets all those good-for-you antioxidants from the green tea soak in. Green tea is rich in properties that help reduce acne, dark circles, and keeps your skin looking plump and smooth. Regular use of green tea in skincare can leave the skin brighter, clearer, and healthier over time. Rice water for hair growth. Girls, rice water isn't just for your kitchen. Models use rice water as a hair rinse because it's loaded with nutrients that make your hair longer, shinier, and stronger. Plus, it's super easy to make at home, but if you don't want to make the rice water yourself, you can buy hair care products that contain rice water. Time to give your hair some extra love and let those strands shine. Silk pillowcase. Models love using silk pillowcases because it keeps their skin and hair super smooth while they sleep. You're sure to wake up with soft glowy skin when you sleep on a silk pillowcase. And let's be real, sleeping on silk just feels so luxurious. Dandelion tea for weight loss. Have you heard of dandelion tea? It's not just for cozy mornings, it's also a secret weapon for weight loss. Dandelion tea works as a natural diuretic, which helps your body shed extra water weight. So if you're feeling bloated or puffy, this tea can really help you feel lighter and more refreshed. Garlic for acne. Do you know eating garlic can prevent new breakouts from popping up on your face? That's right, garlic is loaded with a compound called allicin that fights off acne-causing bacteria, so eating garlic is like giving your skin an extra layer of protection. So don't forget to add a little garlic into your meal prepping and your skin will thank you later. Aloe vera eyebrow hack. Aloe vera can actually help your eyebrows grow thicker and fuller. Just apply a little to your brows, and not only will they be super soft and conditioned, but you'll also get that natural fuller look we all love. Cold spoons for puffy eyes. Models place cold spoons over their eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles in the morning. It's like a quick refresh for those tired eyes, and it totally works like magic. And there you have it. 9 model beauty secrets that are total game changers and will have you glowing in no time. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for even more fabulous beauty tips. See you in the next video, bye.